Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use buttons in Figma. First, draw a simple rectangle to form your button's base. Next, add your desired text for the label, ensuring it is perfectly centered within the shape. Then, apply colors, adjust the corner radius, and choose a font to style your button's appearance. This foundational step is crucial for all your interactive designs, setting the stage for more advanced features. Now, let's make your buttons interactive. You can define different states, such as hover and pressed, to provide visual feedback. Create interactive components to manage these states efficiently. Also, applying auto layout ensures your buttons are responsive and adapt to varying content or screen sizes. This makes your designs much more dynamic and user-friendly, enhancing the overall experience. If you are finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: for all you designers who love to learn and read on the go, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for diving into design articles or ebooks anywhere. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To streamline your workflow, turn your button into a reusable component. This allows for easy updates across your entire design. Next, create variants for different styles, like primary, secondary, or disabled states. Organizing your button library with these components and variants ensures consistency and efficiency in your design system. It's a powerful way to manage your assets and maintain design integrity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.